Here we go. Can you wave? Can you say hi? Say hi. This is Sienna. She's going to help us make bath bombs today, you guys. I want to show you all of our ingredients here. So we're going to make some bath bombs. We have, it looks like a cup of Epsom salt, 1 cup of baking soda, and a 1/2 cup of cornstarch, and then a 1/2 cup of citric acid, which you can find by your canning jars, your mason jars and stuff. And then we have in here a teaspoon of water. You want to make sure you don't get too much water in there, otherwise they won't work. She likes to see herself. We also have some food coloring, so we're going to color ours, and then when we're done, we're going to put them into little molds that we have here.
What about the big one?
Oh, well, apparently we're going to make some big ones too. You can also, I'll give you guys the recipe, but you guys can also make toilet bowl cleaners with this and a little bit of Dawn dish liquid too, and they clean your toilet really nicely. We have a few essential oils here. I didn't have many because most of them are at school. We have tea tree and rosemary and eucalyptus and peppermint. You want to be careful with those because they can be a little bit intense for the skin. We don't want to add too much of them. Also, they make great shower soothers though. So if you have a stuffy nose, you can make these and call them shower bombs and just put them in the bottom of your shower, and it will help open up your nasal passages. So we're going to go ahead and get started.
I only want to use that.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is my lovely assistant is going to pour in the Epsom salt into our bowl here. Pour it all in. All right. And that was a 1/2 cup of Epsom salt. Now we've got a whole cup of baking soda we're going to put in there. Baking soda.
Fast.
Go. All right. And next we have a 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Put the cornstarch in. And then we also have a 1/2 cup of citric acid. That's that fizz, that chemical reaction. Oh, we lost some. Go ahead and pour that in there. That's okay. Okay. And then we're going to stir that up a little bit. That citric acid will get in your nose and it'll tingle a little bit. It's very, very light, so it floats easily. Another thing you can add if you wanted to for your bath bomb is some oats, if you want a soothing bath bomb with maybe a little bit of lavender. Okay, let me stir it a little bit more. There we go. So we're going to divvy ours up. You're just breaking them up. Okay. We're going to divvy ours into little pieces or little bowls when we're done like this. And once we divvy those up, we're going to add different colors and different scents to them to put them in the molds. And you can just make them one large ball if you wanted to. Striking a pose. Okay, so now we're going to take our 1 teaspoon of water. We've got a little plunger here we're using. You know, squeeze that in there just for fun. Dribble it all over.
Whoa.
You get a chemical reaction there. It starts to fizz. I don't know if you guys can hear that or see that, but it is fizzing. So we want to stir that up really good. And it, yeah, go ahead, baby. When you stir that up, it's going to look as though it's all mixing together. And you're going to think you need more water, but you don't. If you add more water, it's going to not fizz at all when you get ready to put it in your bath. Let's stir that spot right there. And then after this, we'll divvy it up into different bowls, and we'll add a couple of drops of food coloring and a couple of drops of essential oil. You can much of that either because it will cause the citric acid to deactivate and you won't get your fizz if you add too much. So that's all we have for you guys today. You say bye? Bye. Say see you next time. Bye.